Okay, here we go. We're state testing time. We're doing all sorts of stuff. We're making things happen. So if you're looking at trying to figure out how to get from scientific notation to standard notation, here's some videos on how to do that. Now we have these already set up. These are scientific notation. So what we're trying to do is change it back to standard notation. This is actually not even correctly scientific, but that's beside the point. So what we just want to do is make it so that we get rid of that base 10. So we have a -1. So when we're moving the decimal on these, you do want to make sure that in a negative, you're moving it over to the left. So if I am doing that, I'm going to go, you're taking a number that's small and you're making it even smaller. So again, it's becoming more and more away from 1. So you just hop however many spaces. In this case, it's 1. And we're making it even smaller than it was. So we're doing the reverse process. So this is going to be 0.09. Now, again, we're doing this from a scientific-y notation type form. So we have our digits, and then they have our base 10, and then whatever the exponent is. So in a case like 19 here, we have 2. We have a positive exponent, which means it needs to be a bigger number because anything that's positive means that it's a bigger number than 1. So I'm making it even bigger by using that. So that means I'm going to make that decimal go to the right to make it even bigger. So I'm going to go 5 spaces. So I'm just going to do this. This is where the decimal would be. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We add all those zeros. And that is my correct answer, 200,000. And so again, we'll take a look at some more negatives. So here we go with this one. If it's a negative exponent, you're making it smaller than 1. So this is currently above 1. So we move it left to make it less than 1. And we're just going 1 space because that's what it's telling me. So my number is 0.2. Hopefully this is simple enough for you guys. We'll do 2 more here. 804, it's got a bigger number than, this is a positive number, which means it's going to be even bigger than it is. So we're going to move that. It's going to be at 804. Decimal would be right here. And we're going to move it 2 spaces over this way to make it even bigger. So now this is becoming 80,400. And the last one I'm going to do is 1.5. This is a negative exponent, so we want it less than 1. So we're going to move it the left way. So 1, 2 spaces, put a decimal, and your number would be 0.015. If you'd like more questions like these, find them on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. All of these can be located in my new playlist of scientific notation, where you can find ways of changing to scientific notation, standard notation, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing.